Hello guys, welcome to another video. So how are you all doing? I hope that you are doing just fine. So with further ado, let's get into it. So today I am here with another gameplay video, and this is about the Sonic, and I hope that you guys will like this video. So first of all, let's upgrade it and let's go and run. So sit back and enjoy the video guys. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video and tell me which gameplays you want to see more. So let's go. Knuckle Shuffle. Knuckle Shuffle. Another one. Another one. So this is a special ability which this Knuckle has. And it's pretty awesome. Pretty dope guys. When you jump, just right down and it will have an impact. Oh, Sonic is passing by me. You can read it: knuckle, slam, jump, and slam. So wow, we are in another world guys. Wow, this world is pretty dope by the way. It looks like more of Machine 1. And Knuckle Shuffle. Oh, I'm saying it Knuckle Shuffle, but it's Knuckle Slam. So let's see how long could I run guys. By the way, mission is completed and I'm just running over it. Oops, I'm caught there, so no thanks, I don't want another like. So I hope that you guys like this video, and in my opinion you guys should also check out this video game. It's just dope and awesome. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you will like it.